Jaredashwar Temple. Jaredashwar Temple is a historical fort which is located on seven mountains surrounding Satara city. It hosts an ancient temple of Lord Hanumana with a monastery. The temple is believed to found before 16th century and has mythological connections to Ramayana era. It is said when Lord Hanumana picked one mountain in Himalaya and when he was unable to locate it, Sanjivani, a small part of mountain, fell here and is now known as Jarendeshwar. This is a gladful, enthusiastic picture of Lord Hanumana with the mustache. On the halfway, there is the water in cistern. It is said that all the diseases of creatures, human beings, will get perished by this water. The rare medicines which are found in this particular area, which are very much rare and just found in Himalayan regions and this Jarendeshwar region. There is one more small temple which is located at backmost of this fort. From side itself, there is another way to climb this hilly mountain which is without steps. As we move backside of temple, there are different size of spherical stones. There is tradition that groom has come here to invite Hanumana. That time he had to lift the spherical stones and threw it behind from the shoulders. So, reaching the temple located on hilltop requires adventitious trekking and is advised for adventure lovers and trek enthusiasts. One should visit such tremendous historic place. It is the place which can bring enthusiasm and love in humans. So you should visit such important as well as enthusiastic place. Thank you.